Okay, so welcome back. What we're going to be talking about today is some of the stuff that I want to do with a Mustang. Some of you might already know my mom has had a Mustang for a while now. It needs help. So basically what I'm going to try to do this year is work on that. I don't think I want to do anything too crazy with performance, but I would like to just make it nice again. I just want it to be back to how it is. So I'm going to be working on that this year, or at least I'm going to try in the summer. So you can look forward to that. But in the meantime, I just wanted to take a look at some Mustangs from the same era, you know, 03. I don't remember the code for it, but just to get an idea of like what's really clean. So we're going to check out some Mustangs here. Okay, so just to show you what we're working with, my grandpa won a Mustang at like a slot machine at a casino. Had to pay tax on it, but that was it back in, I mean, it's an 03 Mustang, so I'm going to assume in, 2003. Eventually, the Mustang got into the hands of my mom, and now I'm going to probably end up with it. I still got to work that out, but that's basically exactly the Mustang. Like I said, pretty basic, but I do want to fix it up and see what I can do with it. That's what we're starting with. Okay, so what we're looking at here, this is a Mustang Cobra. It's a 99, so it's the first model year of the body style, but I like this picture. It's from the Mustang Historian on Instagram, and I guess it's 99 Slow Bruh with 2 H's. That's him. Anyways, so we're looking at like the wheels and tire, like the fitment. Every day I go to work, I install tires. That's my job. So it only makes sense that we'll start with this, at least just covering some of the things that we're doing or plan on doing. My food just got picked up from the restaurant. Anyways, basically what we're looking at here is I would like to get some clearance or fitment like that. Like I like the front lip on it. I don't really know if we'll be doing that just because it's a V6 Mustang. I would also like a set of wheels. I'm not sure the kind of look I'm going to be trying to go for here, but I want that to look good. I want a look like that. I want it to be clean, and I think that's clean. All right, so we're back with the Mustang Historian. What we're looking at here, this is a 2003 Mach 1. I struggle to say that. I really like the look of the Mach 1 in this model year. I had a poster on my wall of it, and obviously the Mustang we're talking about isn't anything close to a Mach 1, but I like the looks of it. It has a pretty simple front lip. Obviously, it's OEM. I like that look, so it'd be cool to add one of those, the same on like a Mach 1. I also, headlights. So I would love to do some like clear or black headlights with LEDs. I think when you're making an old car look new or nice, like you have to have wheels and tires, you have to have lights. Tint is probably good. You probably need a little bit of tint. And if you could paint it again, that would be great. So I like the look of the Mach 1. Shout out to no one, I guess. They added Ford. So we'll move on to the another Mustang that I want to take a look at here. Okay, so another thing that I want to look at here. This is a Cobra, I guess. It's a Cobra. Anyways, fitment looks good. Wheels look modern. Those tires look pretty meaty when it comes to traction. Whenever I'm at work and I hear someone say meaty, they're always talking about like KO2s or LTX A2s or whatever, or the XLTs. I don't know, Michelin's weird with their names. But anyways, I like the exhaust. Yeah, and then another example of tint. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so I also want to talk about like the spoiler on the car, because the Mustang does have that same spoiler. I like the look of it in black. Having a black car, everything black, I think it looks amazing, but like black accent pieces are really cool. And I also think, honestly, the paint is probably kind of nasty on it by now. So yeah, I like the look of it. See, now I know I'm getting repetitive, but we'll probably end it here. I just wanted to make a video about the Mustang, so I'd have to actually follow through with it. So hopefully you're excited about this, because I know I am. It'll be a lot of work, but I think we should be okay. I just want to close it off here. I really like the look of this Mustang. I love black and gold, or like black and white. If they're done well enough, they look really good. There's a Corvette, I think it's the Pandem kit, and it's black and it has gold accents, and it looks amazing. It looks a little put together. It doesn't look like as OEM as some other kits, but it does look really good, and I do really like the colors to it. But working with blue, I guess, if anyone wants to put in the comments like what color combination, wheels and the body would look good, what goes good with blue, so let me know down below. But damn, that fitment is really good. Let me know if you're excited for this. Be sure to let me know in the future if I haven't done anything with this, because I want to actually fix up the car. It's seen better days. Okay, so be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, the laundry list of things that everyone tells you to do. If you didn't like the video, be sure to dislike, because no one will see or care. It's a little harsh, but I'll see you in the next video.